How to fix Citibank app login failed. If you're not being able to log into the Citi Mobile banking account, given that you already registered for it, so if you didn't register, that's a whole different thing. You have to register first of all. And after that, you can try to check your Wi-Fi connection, because sometimes a simple internet connection could be the issue for all this. If you're using the Citibank on Android, you can use this long press the Citi Mobile application like this. Then tap on this I button that will take you to the app info page, where you can simply select the option called storage usage, and you can select clear cache and clear the data. Go to your Play Store or App Store, then you can simply search for the Citibank app, check if it has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. And if you're still not being able to log in, then chances are you're entering an incorrect credentials, like an incorrect user ID and password. If you forgot your user ID, tap on forgot user ID and follow the instructions to reset it. Same goes for password. Tap on forgot password and select the other instructions to reset your password as well. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.